My name's Peggy Pings, and we're at Twin Spruce Marina. We're actually located 2 miles south of Morgantown, West Virginia, and we're right next to the rail trail also. It's a 50-mile long Mon River rail trail system. And up here is the house and the office and garages, warehouses. So I actually live and work here with my husband, Brian. So as part of the solar installation project, we buried our electric so that we wouldn't have the lines overhead. And so we have a new meter at the front of the house instead of over at the power pole. This is south. And so the south shines right on that steep roof. It's about a 12-12 roof. Did I say I had to replace the roof also?
No,
I had to do that in 2017 also before the solar install. You can see it's a standing seam metal roof. The previous one was asphalt shingles, and they were about 25, 26 years old, so better replace that. I'm kind of an environmentalist at heart. I am, and I care about nature, I care about the environment. One is the environment. One is also to try and lower my electric cost over my lifetime. There's 27 panels, 330 watts each. So you do the math, it's 8.91 kilowatt hour peak that it can produce. Per month for this year, 2020, that's 9 months so far, it's 773 kilowatt hours a month. There is a solar co-op in the state, so it's good to hook up with them, and then you get some maybe better pricing and you get more education. Also, I didn't really quite understand if you don't have a battery to hold all the power you're creating, that if the power goes off, say there's a storm or something, and you lose power for a day or a week, I don't have power here either. I cannot use the solar. In 2015, I was able to get an energy audit done, and that kind of gave me an idea of how much energy I needed to put up on the roof. And then I wrote for a grant application to USDA, United States Department of Agriculture, the REAP program, Rural Energy for America program, and I wrote a grant application as a business for that, and that was worth $8,100. So yeah, I mean, it went pretty smooth. Once I finally decided to get moving. People should try and go solar if they own their house and they can swing it. I think it's really good for people to check it out, try it out for themselves, show other people what you've got going on and learn. I mean, it's an educational process. Well, once it's in, you don't really have to mess with anything. I think it's really important to try and grow a movement in West Virginia as well as our whole country and globally for the solar industry, and the main way to do that is by people actually installing it on their properties.